In this video, I'm going to be giving my top 3 AI note-taking apps. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first one is Notebook LM. So this is by Google Labs or Gemini. So Notebook LM is a research-style AI notebook tool from Google that helps you interact with your uploaded documents and notes. You can upload PDFs, docs, and other materials, then ask the AI questions about them, get summaries, and explore connections across your content. Now, why it's good and its strengths. So it is very strong at synthesis. It doesn't just store notes, it helps you query and reason across them. Integration with Google ecosystem and Gemini AI gives it good backing. The interface encourages exploring and linking ideas, which is good when you have a lot of reading reference material. Caveats: it's relatively new, so some advanced features may still be evolving. As with many AI tools, privacy, data storage, and how much control you have of your content are important to check. Okay, next one is Notion. So what is Notion? It's a flexible all-in-one workspace, notes, databases, wikis, project tracking. Its AI features, Notion AI, allows you to summarize text, generate content, translate, and auto-complete ideas right inside your pages. Now, why it's good and its strength. So its versatility and customization. You can structure your workplace or workspace however you want, mix notes with tasks, databasing, dashboards, etc. It also has strong integrations, works with many other tools, making it easy to slot into your workflow. AI features enhancing writing and summarization inside context you already use. You don't have to move content to a separate AI notebook. There are caveats. So the AI features often require a paid plan or add-on, depending on how much usage you need. Because it's so flexible, there can be a learning curve to design your ideal setup. Now, the last one is called Otter AI. So this is a focus particularly on meeting, lecture, and conversational transcriptions and summarization. It listens to live or recorded audio, transcribes speech, and provides summaries, action items, and searchable transcripts. Now, why it's good. So real-time transcriptions is solid. You don't have to pause or later upload files. The AI helps extract key points, decisions, and follow-ups, making your meetings more actionable. It is multi-platform, web and mobile, and plays well with meeting tools like Zoom, Google Meet, etc. There are caveats. For heavy users, you'll likely need the paid tiers to unlock more transcription minutes or features. In noisy environments or with multiple speakers, accuracy can dip as with any speech-to-text system.